Hey y'all, so I'm going to be hosting an art show and an open mic on February 17th, which is this Saturday at CIELITO Cafe in Southgate. So if you're in the LA area on Saturday, come through. It's going to be tight. There's going to be a lot of artists and a lot of support, and so I'm going to be there. I'm co-hosting it with one of my homies. So if anyone's able to make it, I'm gonna have like some thank you gifts if you come up to me and say what's up, tell me about yourself, and say like, hey, I saw your video. Yeah, just hit me up and then I'll have like a thank you gift for me, because you guys are always so nice to me and like always be watching my shit and like messaging me saying you love my videos. So like I just want to say thank you and like come through. There's gonna be a lot of art. It's gonna be at CIELITO Cafe. I'm gonna have all the details down, and you can like go on my Instagram and find the flyer there. But yeah, I hope you can make it. They have bomb-ass coffee, so you should stop by anyways. Like if you can't make it to the show, you should stop by anyways. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for showing me support and all that. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video, or see you on Saturday, hopefully. Alright. I just had a sneeze attack and I fucked everything up. Okay, now my ass has to go to school, so see y'all.